Welcome to another edition of Small Talk for You. This morning I wanted to go back to Pharo and take a look at a couple of things you can do to make your image smaller, either just in general or for production purposes. So in Script Loader you'll find this method cleanup for release. And if you go through this you'll see that it tries to clean things up, gets rid of some garbage, does a whole bunch of basic organization and garbage collection. So it just cleans out your image, doesn't strip it or anything, that's not the purpose of this. But it does get rid of a lot of the extraneous stuff that's built up as an artifact of development. So if you just have an image that's getting a little unwieldy, you can do this. Likewise, if you're getting ready to deploy something, and I would again suggest that if you do this, just like I've made these suggestions for VisualWorks and Visual Age, or VA Smalltalk rather, make sure you start from a clean image. Don't start with an image that you've been working in development. You'll have artifacts. But having said that, if you come in here and use cleanup for production, it does a whole bunch of things with cleaning out Monticello versions, cleans up a bunch of globals, gets rid of test methods, and then in the middle, notice it calls the cleanup over here. So you have Script Loader in here somewhere, down here towards the bottom, I think, cleanup for release. So it calls this. And then down here, does a final garbage collect and cleans up a bunch of stuff. So these are two methods that you want to keep track of if you just want to get an image ready to clean up in order to deploy it, especially a server-based image where you don't care too much about what starts up. Obviously, if you're deploying a client GUI type image, you have a lot of other things you want to do. But for deploying something that's going to be a seaside image or some other server-based image, this is really all you need to worry about. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with whatever Smalltalk you're using.